Now, in our previous videos, we saw how to create a very basic flow, where we created an instant flow and also an automated flow. But how do we stop a flow? Well, this video is going to be a very short one where we'll see how to stop a flow. So keep watching and stay tuned. So as you can see, I'm in the Power Automate area. And over here, these are the two flows that we had created in some of our previous videos. So if you're not followed it through, please go back and see the videos where we have created an instant flow as well as an automated flow. So when it comes to stopping a flow, well, the instant flow does not make much sense because as the name suggests, it's an instant flow. That means this flow will only trigger when you click on a button. If you do not click on a button, the flow just remains as it is and there is no triggering mechanism, all right? But as far as the automated flow is concerned, this is a scheduled flow. That means it runs in the background. So if you see over here in the instant flow, you can see that there is a run button. But over here in this particular flow, you do not see a run button. And if I also open this automated flow, you will see that you will not find a run button over here. The reason is because this flow is running in the background constantly. Now, when I say this runs constantly in the background, it does not mean that it runs every millisecond or every second. You know, every 5 minutes or something, this flow always runs. It checks the Twitter post and based on our conditions gives us the result. You know, so whenever somebody has posted something on the Twitter and based on our conditions, it might take 5 to 10 minutes for the results to show up, but still it is constantly running. So that means that in this particular scenario where, you know, if some post matches the keywords where we have said that, you know, send us an email notification, if you do not stop this, it will keep on sending you the email notification whenever there is a post related to the conditions that are matched in this particular scenario. So to be able to switch it off and only use when it is required, well, what you can do is you will see that there's a turn off button. So if you click on this, the status goes to off. And if you go to my flows and you will see over here, there's a block sign on this particular flow. That means that it is not running, right? So if you want to run it again, you can click on the 3 dots over here and you can turn it on. Or you can go inside this particular flow editor and then click on turn on the flow, right? So that's all it is to turn off or to turn on a flow. So why don't you go ahead and try it for yourself and we'll meet you in the next video. Bye for now.